Quick question for you. Can you actually tell the difference between a high-end $10,000 studio product shoot and an ultra-realistic image generated by AI in literally 10 seconds? Well, if you can't, you are in exactly the right place. Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're breaking down the AI brand identity blueprint. We're going to explore a fast-paced, step-by-step roadmap to building a premium, market-ready brand completely out of thin air, using nothing but artificial intelligence. This Explainer is produced by Waqas Ahmed Shah, an educator and AI agents and automation builder for educators, traders, and startups based in Karachi, Pakistan. This is a complete lesson journey on how to automate branding and design. So let's jump straight into it. Phase 1. Defining the brand identity. To engineer the core essence of a modern beverage brand, we prompt a large language model for a name. The target here is the US and European markets, so it needs to sound like an established premium company, not just a basic juice flavor. Out of options like pulp, choose, and drop press, the absolute winner is Squeezed. It's modern, clean, and sounds super authoritative. Next up is the slogan, and we landed on fresh in every drop. Notice how these 5 simple words perfectly capture a simple and honest positioning. It doesn't scream like a loud, fake energy drink brand, right? Instead, it just whispers premium quality. Okay, let's move into phase 2, visuals and packaging strategy. Now, let's talk about the physical container. A standard 330 milliliter can just has a basic, common mass market feel. But a 330 milliliter slim can, that instantly commands a much higher perceived value. It gives off this modern, expensive aesthetic. And the best part is it does this without adding any extra manufacturing costs. It's a total game changer. Establishing strict visual rules based on AI market research is absolutely crucial here. For our apple flavor, we're going with an off-white and muted green color palette because it feels incredibly organic and fresh. For typography, we're strictly using a clean sans serif font. We definitely want to avoid anything that looks like a cheap script font. And the logo style? Purely text-based. It looks minimal, confident, and frankly, very expensive. Phase 3. Generating ultra-realistic AI images. So how do you actually ensure the final product looks like a real photo and not some plastic cartoon? Well, here is the boundary. Bad AI generation looks like 3D CGI with these weird plastic textures and floating objects. But ultra-realistic AI, that delivers authentic body details, highly accurate environmental lighting, and a gritty raw photography feel. To pull this off, we use Hexfield. You can think of Hexfield as a multi-model AI platform housing top-tier image and video generation tools all in one convenient place. Specifically for this project, we're using their Nano Banana Pro model as the ultimate engine for rendering our premium brand visuals. Now, the secret sauce for photorealism is all about specifying technical camera details to create the perfect prompt. Step 1, specify an 80mm macro lens for those tight close-ups. Step 2, demand an 8K photo and studio lighting. Step 3, explicitly tell the AI, not CGI. And finally, step 4, detail the exact environment. Something like a white background, soft, natural backlight. Okay, now what's really interesting is our ultimate workflow hack. Don't try to force the AI to spell everything perfectly, it's gonna mess up. Instead, prompt the AI to generate a completely text-free version of the can. Use a color picker extension to grab the exact hex codes, then import that raw, text-free image into Canva or Photoshop and apply your custom logo, typography, and specific colors manually. Generating a blank canvas first gives you total design control over the whole shebang. Moving on to our final section, the 3-phase launch plan. Because look, a stunning product is nothing without a strategic distribution plan, right? This strategy begins with the Instagram grid. We apply a strict 80-20 rule here. 80% of the content needs to be visual, lifestyle aesthetics. Think behind the scenes, raw fruit sourcing textures. Only 20% should be direct product sales pitches. The brand has to behave like a high-end design company, not just a juice seller. And the actual rollout timeline is highly calculated. Phase 1. Build that aesthetic Instagram page and release a limited batch to create scarcity. Phase 2, partner with influencers and get the product stocked in curated spaces like high-end gyms or co-working spaces. Phase 3, scale aggressively with paid ads. You absolutely cannot outspend the big brands on day one, for sure. So you must outdesign them first to build visual trust. Just like that, we've gone from a blank screen to a fully packaged premium brand identity completely ready for launch. And the crazy thing is, these strategies remain exactly the same whether you're selling soda, software, or even your own agency services. So I want to leave you with this question. What product will you build and launch first using this exact AI blueprint? Take these automation strategies and start building your future today. Thanks for joining me on this explainer.